Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carly, so welcome. So today I'm going to be filming a college room tour in my new house. I feel like this has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to make a room tour for a while and I just haven't gotten around to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys around. This is the house that I'm going to be living in for the next couple of years, and I feel like I've really made this room feel like home. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Let's just get right into the video. My room is the very first room you enter when you come to the right, so I'm just gonna take you guys along. It's a little bit bigger than my room last year, so yeah, there's more to cover in this room. So I'm gonna start with this little area right by the door. Here's my door. This couch is from my room at home and it's just from Target. I've had it forever, but I love having a couch in my room and I always get great use out of it. This blanket is kind of crazy. It has a lot of fur and it's from this like local boutique at home. The painting on the wall is one that my aunt painted for me, so I absolutely love this. This is kind of like the favorite corner I have of my room. And over to the right of the couch are some Alex drawers that are also from my room at home. I needed more storage because my closet is kind of small, so I ended up bringing these from home and it's been a great addition. I shared this candle in another video, but it's from Anthropologie. I just got it. It's for fall. I love it. And then this picture is one that my aunt took and I just got a frame from Hobby Lobby. Right here is the closet. I'll take you guys in that in a second. Here I am. This mirror that I have right here is from TJ Maxx. I love it. It's just an easel mirror with a gold rim around it. This nightstand is from TJ Maxx as well. I really like it. And it has like gold handles, so it kind of matches the mirror, which I really love. And so on my bedside table, I just keep my water. I just got a new tissue box. That's why it's not opened yet. And then I have this postcard I got from Barcelona and I just framed it. And then I have a lamp from Target that was in my room last year. And it's just chill. I try and keep it nice and clean because I find when my room is less cluttered, I'm a lot less stressed. All right, so now moving back a little bit, here is my bed. I love my bed. The bed itself is from Wayfair and I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's like a turquoise blue velvet. On the wall here are just my Vogue posters. I had the ones on the ends in my room last year, but this one in the middle is a new addition. I just love it. I love my Vogue posters. I feel like they're one of my favorite parts of my room. So here is my bed from the front. The bedspread is from TJ Maxx as well. This blanket is from Anthropologie and I've had it on my bed all 3 years of college. The pillows are from Anthropologie and I've also had those on my bed in the past few years as well. So I'm reusing a lot of stuff, but I feel like I've really made it look different each year, which I really love. And I have this humongous window right here, which I absolutely love. My room is always very nice and bright. And then moving over to this corner, it's kind of hard to see because there's so much light over here, but this wall right here is right across from my door. When you walk in, you see these 3 pictures on the wall. The lighting is still kind of bad, but they're all like pieces of fabric sewn into like abstract pictures that my aunt made as well. My aunt is like the source of pretty much all my art in my room. And then over in this corner across from my bed is my desk. It's just from Wayfair as well. This chair is from TJ Maxx. It's just like a fake brown leather. It was just easy and I really just needed it. I'm using the same desk couch as I've had in my other rooms as well. And so right on my desk I just have like my jewelry. All these decorations are ones that I've had in my other rooms. There's really not that much new stuff over here. It's just nice to have a big area for a desk. And then I'm going to show you guys the bathroom in a second because that's my favorite part of this room. But first I'm going to show you the closet. Here it is. It's right by my drawers. I just have all my shoes like hanging on my door because I don't have that much space. And here's my closet. It's really not that bad, but compared to the closets that my roommates have, this one is absolutely tiny. All my clothes are just on the side right here. And I have like plastic drawers with clothes. And then I just have shelves with all my stuff. So it's nothing too special, but it works and I'm very happy to have a bigger closet than I did last year. So now we're going on to my favorite part of the room. I'm absolutely obsessed with my bathroom. I know that's weird, but here is my bathroom. I'm trying to show you guys the whole thing because I feel like it's really hard to display on video. But this is actually the only bathroom that connects to the hallway, so I just keep this locked. It has these really pretty like marble floors. And then I have a really big area and a big sink and lots of storage, which is nice. And so I'm absolutely obsessed. And we are actually the first ones to live in our house, which is really nice. So yeah, I just keep my hamper in here because I don't have space in my closet. And I just have a few more pictures on the wall in here because I had room to put them in here. And I just have my little cart and I have a nice big shower. So yeah, everyone, that is literally about it with my room tour because it's a lot of stuff that I've had before in my past rooms and it's just pretty self-explanatory. If you guys see anything in this video that I didn't tell you guys where it was from, please leave a comment down below and I will let you guys know. But yeah, yeah, I feel like this room tour has been a long time coming, and I always love doing room tours. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much again, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!